Please, I beg you, give yourself a chance. Hey guys, good morning and welcome to a new vlog. It's Monday and I plan to be a hermit today. That's why my bed is like that, and we're gonna leave it like that because once I'm back home I'm then jumping right back into my bed. But yeah, it's Monday morning and I was just in my bed being a hermit, and then my friend Roland calls, and he's like, yo girl, do you wanna grab breakfast? I'm paying. What do you think I said? Ready to go. So yeah, I'm going to go meet Roland for breakfast, and well, I hope you enjoy this vlog. Thank you.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better.
Hey guys, so I'm back home. I came back a minute ago. Just see that golden hour on my skin. So yeah, now what I want to do is I want to take a shower and then probably go on a walk. But it's already 6 p.m. so I don't know if I will still be able to meet the sunsets. I doubt. But I'm just going to rush through my shower and go for a walk. You guys, absolutely forget the way I look, but I had to rush out. I literally had to rush out. You can see it's getting really dark, and it's just 6:30. Why is it getting so dark, like so quick? I had to get some air, so I'm not going to go far, but I just want to get the steps in. Hi you guys, I just wanted to update you guys on something. You guys can't guess what just happened to me. So as I was walking back home, I had reached out to somebody, but I wasn't expecting the person to reach back to me. And guess what? I have an interview for tomorrow. So I just picked out what I was going to wear for the interview. And yeah, I don't know. I'm sure hoping for the best. So let's see how it goes. But yeah, I'm back home and I'm just going to get into probably watch something or check what the girls are saying on YouTube. Then I'm gonna go to sleep. Right? I guess today was a good day. Good night, guys. Hello, good morning, people. Don't be scared, don't fret. I know what I look like, but honestly, I had to drag myself out of bed by 6 a.m. this morning. I don't think I'm supposed to be waking up by 6 a.m. That's just brutal. But yeah, I literally dragged myself up. I literally did not even drag myself up because like I was still laid in bed. Man. But yeah, it's currently 10 a.m. and the sun is out. Very bright, but the weather is nice. When I woke up, it was looking like it was about to rain. So did my prayers and I went right back to sleep. But gotta get the steps in, and I came prepared. Extra reinforcements for my Jesus cap, and this jersey from yesterday because I need a big shirt to cover this other dog because they're like weirdos out here. But yeah, good morning guys. I'll check in with you later. Hello people, good morning. Afternoon actually. Today's Wednesday and I've just been in bed. And that's literally all I'm going to do today. I'm not doing anything else today. Everything else can wait. Giving myself the permission to bed rot and just have a do nothing day. Cause I'm freaking tired. I'm so tired. Like I can't even move my body even if I want to. But yeah, I guess the fact that I'm PMSing is contributing to my fatigue right now, but I deserve to do nothing. I'm not doing anything today. I don't want to cook. I'm not going anywhere. I'm supposed to go for midweek service today, but probably just going to stream service. I'm gonna sleep now. Actually, I'm watching YouTube currently. This is what I'm watching. But when I'm done, I'm probably gonna take a nap, then wake up and figure out what I'm going to eat. Then I'll stream service, and I'll probably wake up and do other things at night. But yeah, that's my day. Just wanted to check in with you guys. Don't want to leave you guys. How did my interview go yesterday? You guys, was I not about to just sit down and talk to you guys? And I broke my tripod. Great. Anyway, it's 5:44. I'm finally up. I took a long nap. That type of nap that, you know, people are calling you and you're not answering, but your phone is not on DND, but you're just not answering. You're seeing the calls, but you're not answering. Yeah, that type of nap. But I have to go on my hot girl walk. I have to get the steps in for today. Even though I don't want to, but I know that I have to. Because I know at the end of the day, I'm going to feel better when I'm back from my walk. But can't lie to you guys, I really don't feel like doing it. But yeah, let's go. This is the hot girl fit for today, and as you can see, I'm bloated already. So let's go. This is why I need to get my headphones. All of you watching this video and not subscribing or liking the video, I'm judging you.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time. everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do.
Hi people, it's been a couple days since y'all saw me. I've been PMSing and lately the symptoms have been brutal, but I'm the type of person to always listen to my body. So today I'll be talking about why you need some audacity. So if you don't like chit chat, first of all, what are you doing on this channel? Because we like to gist, we like to yap on this channel. But just joking. If you're not interested in chit chat, there's one thing I want you to take home with you. That is, do not be afraid to look bad. And for that, you need some audacity. So yeah, I'll be doing my skincare while we gist. So I'll be keeping it simple, using these 3 products. So sit back, get your glasses, relax while we yap away. So I'm turning 26 in a couple of days, and I realized that I've changed a lot, and this is because I'm very, very observant and I'm very, very aware. A few years back, I'm a repentant people pleaser. A few years back, I discovered that I was a people pleaser, and I was literally begging myself to stop being a people pleaser because I felt like people were taking advantage of me and people were working all over me consistently. So at the age of 23, I consciously decided that needed to stop. Right? That needed to stop. And I was taking it no more. So at the age of 24, I became very expressive about my boundaries. To be honest, I was a terrorist. And I can't lie, maybe I still am a terrorist. I still am a terrorist. But yeah, at the age of 24, I started my selfish adventures. And as a woman, I would dare you to say no. You would really need to be in touch with your selfish side. So at the age of 24, a lot of people started, when I crashed out, a lot of people started saying, oh, I don't even recognize her anymore, and that. But P.S., whenever people start talking like that, just know that you're doing something right. Age 25, honey, according to my standard. So at age 25, honey, I was gone, baby. I just didn't give a f anymore. So I grew some balls, right? I grew some balls. So for you to make it out of this life, you need to learn how to say no. I need you to be very loud and clear about what you'd allow. I mean, I don't need to tell you again that people would treat you how you allow yourself to be treated. Stop counting on the consideration of other human beings to not take advantage of you. Stop it. Takers, they're going to take, and they don't know when to stop. So you will need to actually be so firm about your boundaries. You need to be so loud, so clear about what you allow and what you not allow. So I'm not even talking only in the sense of like self-love, because honestly, if you keep keep letting people walk over you, like that's going to affect your self-esteem, and people can sense it. It will show in your work as well that you don't trust yourself, you don't believe in yourselves. Stop counting on the consideration of other human beings to not take advantage of you. Honey, this is reality. This is reality. Those people, they can sense it. And they thrive on that. They thrive on the fact that you are waiting on them to consider, you're waiting on them to consider you. Stop it. Stop being so afraid and just have the audacity to speak up for yourself and try the things you've always wanted to try. Well, an exception is if you know that God has specifically said, don't try this thing, don't go and try it, don't take my word out there and go and try that thing. That's not what we're talking about here. Please, I beg you, give yourself a chance. Lastly, I want you to remember this, that nobody cares. You're not that important. Maybe you'll be important one day, and maybe you're important to some of your toasters and your friends and your family, but you're not here for your friends and family, And you're doing what you are doing because you want people to care. That is what you want. You want to be important. I need you to admit that to yourself. I'm also calling myself out for this. I need you to admit to yourself that you want people to see you. That's why you're doing what you are doing. Perform, create, do. You'd actually need to keep performing. You would actually need to keep creating for you to add value. People do not think that Badima in her bedroom in one corner in one village in Abuja is important. No. And Jeff Bezos wasn't thinking that, people will not like me, people will not think this when he was creating Amazon. Even the top content creators, people that are doing very well in their careers, they weren't thinking about what other people will say. So what are you thinking? Who are you that you are thinking about what other people will say? Please. Let's be for real here. Nobody would think that your first 30 videos or like your first 5 years in your career, nobody would think that, this person is a hot shot. Maybe some people are lucky, right? Some people have some kind of advantage, but nobody's going to think you're a hot shot. You have to be in their faces. Because you know what, that you are that person, you're that girl, you're that guy, and I'll need you to be in their faces to actually show them that you are that person and you got the sauce. And you know what, as you show that you're important, you wouldn't need to go and be announcing to people that you're important anymore. People will come looking for you because what, you're adding value, because what, you're important. So please ride your wave, and eventually everybody is going to hop on. So I'm gonna leave you with that. I'm going out with my friend and I'm just waiting for him to come. And my sister got me my favorite food, rice and stew. So I'm going to be munching on this before he comes. I think I'm going to be vlogging, but I should vlog. But this is what I'm wearing. This top is clean by the way because I didn't wear it that day. And then yes, pants. You are, and then I hear your voice. The love's flying.
You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to tell me sorry that you take back all the things you said just to hurt me. And love just went cold, but I'm still burning. And love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to show me sorry you have changed now. But it's the same old story. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same mistake.
Hi guys, I've been kidnapped. My body must save me. Save me.
Stand up and
Throw
then
the whole table.
the twins will say,
I say, you lied to me.
The twins will say, ah, Daddy. You say, don't call me Daddy.
You say you lied to me.
You lied to
Everything
me.
is a lie.
And then she said, what do you mean? Then you storm in. You bring out the journal. Throw it at her.
Safari walk. Who wants to do safari walk?
I do all good for us. She's a very smart girl.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I